Welcome to 7171 Brick Kiln Circle. We're right on the backside of Muikirk Mark Station. This home was brand new, built in 2019. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3.5 full baths, beautiful kitchen, 1-car garage, 3-level townhome, minutes to the Intercounty Connector, 495, 95 North. It's a beautiful home, great location. There's a clubhouse, swimming pool, playground, top lot, walking trails. What more could you want? All right, we're back. 7171 Brick Kiln Circle. You saw the beautiful home. We're right here down in the kitchen, living room area. 1-car garage, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, back deck, private community, right by the Mark train station, right by the ICC, 495. What more could you want in a home that's only 2 years old? I want to see you too this Saturday, May 28th and 29th, Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 3. We're having an open house party right here. We're having music. We're having food. We're going to have fun. Come on out and take a look at the house. See you then.